Hello dear students, today we will tackle with some multi-choice questions based on organ pipes. First question is, in the resonance tube, if water is replaced with an ion of density greater than that of water, then the frequency will, options are these one. As you know, in resonance tube, sound moves in air and is reflected with the water surface in the resonance tube. So if you change water with or replace water with denser ion, even then the frequency will not change, means frequency will remain unchanged. So the correct answer will be D. Next question, question 2 is, closed and open pipes have same frequencies in their first overtone. Their lengths are in the ratio. Here, to solve question, solution of question 2. Here, according to question, first overtone of closed pipe is equal to the first overtone of open pipe. And as you know, first overtone means F2. So, F2 of closed pipe is equal to F2 of open pipe. That is, F2 of closed pipe is 3 upon 3. F1 of closed pipe is equal to F2 of open is 2 F1 of open pipe, and you know 3 here F1 closed is equal to B upon 2, so B upon 4 L closed, and this is B upon 2L open, so this is 2 B upon 2L open. B cancels and this 2 cancels this, and therefore LC upon LO will give, therefore LC upon LO will give, LC goes here and ratio remains 3/4. The answer will be 3/4. This is the correct answer. Next question number 3. Solution to question 3. Question 3 is, air column in a closed pipe will be in resonance with the tuning fork of frequency 166 Hz if its length is, here this is the frequency. Resonance means same frequency with the tuning fork. So first solution K. Closed pipe means F1 part closed pipe, F1 is equal to B upon 4L. We have to find L. So F1 is 166 and B is suppose 332 meter per second, 4 into L. If you cancel this by 2 and 2 cancels 2, so L goes here and L will be 1/2, which is 0.5 meter. So the correct answer or option will be B. Next question number Question number 4. Question number 4 is fundamental frequency of an open organ pipe of length 50 cm is, here B is the velocity of sound given as 350 meter per second. Now solution of question 4. Fundamental frequency of open pipe. So open pipe, F1 is equal to P upon 2L, and L is 50 cm means B is 350 and 2 L is 50 cm means 50 cm means 0.5 meter. So 0.5 350 upon 1 350 hertz. So the correct option will be B. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is, if the velocity of sound in air is 336 meter per second, the maximum length of a closed pipe that would produce a just audible sound. As you know, the range of audible sound is from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. So, velocity of sound is this much. Length of closed pipe is to be maximum, therefore frequency should be minimum. Then, so for audible sound minimum frequency is equal to 20 Hz. Now for closed pipe, fundamental frequency F1 is equal to B upon 4L. Here B is given to be 336 meter per second. This is 336 upon 4L. When this L has to be maximum, then F1 should be minimum. Then therefore F1 minimum will correspond 336 upon 4L maximum, and F1 minimum is 20 Hz. Therefore 20 Hz will be equal to 336 upon 4L maximum. Or if you can cancel 4 or divide 336 by 4, this gives 8 and 4, 84, which gives L maximum 84 divided by 20, which is 4.2 meters. So the correct option will be D. Next question number 6. Question number 6 is, closed organ pipe and open organ pipe are in unison. Unison means at resonance, that is having same frequency. The ratio of their lengths is, here closed organ pipe and open organ pipe are in unison means they are having same frequency. We have to compare their lengths. Question number 6. According to question, F1 closed is equal to F1 open. Therefore, V upon 4L closed will be equal to B upon 2L open. B cancels out, 1 upon this is equal to 1 upon this, and L closed goes here. Therefore, L closed upon L open will be equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Therefore, the correct option will be D. D. Next, question number 7. Question number 7 is a resonance air column of length 20 cm resonates with a tuning fork of frequency 250 Hz. Velocity of sound in air is, here this is the length of air column for first resonance. So question number 7 for resonance tube. L1 is lambda by 4 and L1 is 20 cm, means 20 cm, which is 0.2 meter. This gives lambda as 4 into 0.2, which is 0.8 meter. Therefore, V will be equal to F into lambda, and F is given to be 250. So 250 into 0.8, which is 200 meter per second. So the correct option will be D. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. If the length of a closed organ pipe is 1.5 meter and B is 330 meter per second, the frequency for second mode. Second mode means F2. So question number 8 for closed pipe in second mode. F2 will be equal to, you know, in second mode this is 3 F1 third harmonic, so 3 into B upon 4 L. 3 B is given to be 330 meter per second upon 4. Length is 1.5. 4 into 1.5 is 6, and if you cancel 6 or divide by 6, this is 5 and 5. 55 into 3 gives 165. So F2 will be 165 Hz. Correct answer will be C. Next, question number 9. Question number 9 is, an open pipe is 30 cm long. Which harmonic will produce a frequency 1.1 kHz? B is given to be 330 meter per second. Velocity of sound in air. Question 9. here pipe is open for open organ pipe or open organ pipe. Which harmonic means, suppose it is nth harmonic. So you know for open pipe Fn is equal to n F1, where F1 is fundamental frequency and Fn is given to be 1.1 kilohertz. So 1.1 into 10 to power 3 hertz. Kilo means 10 to power 3. N into V upon 4. Sorry, pipe is open, therefore V upon 2 L. So this is N, or this is 1100 equal to N into V. V is 330 divided by 2. L is 30 cm. Because L is 30 cm, which is 0.3 meter. Now, if you cancel this can be written as 1100 equal to N upon 2 into, if you remove this decimal, you get 3, and this is 1100. This 1100 cancels this one, this is 1, and 2 into 1 will be N. N will be 2. That is, harmonic will be second. The correct answer will be D. Next question number 10. Question number 10. In 1 meter long open pipe, which harmonic of resonance is obtained with a tuning fork of 480 Hz? Length is 1 meter, pipe is open. So, open pipe L is 1 meter, Fn is 480 Hz. Suppose B is 330 meter per second. So solution are Fn will be equal to N F1 N B upon 2L. Fn is 480, N into B 330.2, L is 1. This is 165. And N is equal to 480 divided by 165, which is nearly equal to 3. So the harmonic will be third. Sorry. Harmonic will be third in question 10. And 11th question. Question 11. In a resonance tube, first and second resonance are found to be this much and this much respectively. The end correction will be the end correction for resonance tube is given as C is equal to L2 minus 3 L1 by 2. So L2 is 70.2 minus 3 L1 is 22.7 upon 2, and if you simplify it you get 2.1 upon 2, which is 1.05 centimeter. So the correct option will be C.